there was a lot of catchphrasey lines that I got to throw because of the spontaneity of everything na parang I had to say it. May mga ganun po. So, ang dami talaga improvisation na nangyari. May mga nasabi kami hindi namin na maalala. Pero, yeah.
So you did not strictly follow a script to the letter or something?
No, not so. We're given a lot of free will.
Yeah, kasi we play as ourselves, so when we're reading the script, parang I don't think sasabihin naman natin ito yung mga lines na nakasulat. So,
we wanted really to capture the moment. Kaya kahit may material kami na may script yan, hindi na susunod kasi nga pag biglang may nararamdaman sila, they will utter out. So talaga yun, by the moment may nararamdaman sila. Yun ang ilalabas sa pelikula.
yeah, Rob was very raw sa mga eksena.
Yeah.
So, very true to life.